Human, mortal, animal, monkey, anthropoid, arrested at Homo erectus stage, with a more encephalized brain that refuses to use this encephalization, and intellect is much cherished by the gods. Evolution, evo-devo, neurobiological evolutionary adaptations to environments in various mutative fields, and covariances, regional, geographical, and so on. Now the other part is the occult refinery. As if by some mishap someone took a monkey and turned it into a krankentier, a sick animal, that separated from participation mystique of nature, of being a monkey, became something semi-divine in status almost. Very advanced occult apparatus that is much unused nowadays. The Buddhists once mentioned that human body is a diamond. By this, they meant it has occult properties and propensities in self-reflection, homo symbolicos, to symbolize and to perform highly advanced magical operations and ceremonies, magical technologies. It's like a gift out of nowhere. By and large, the biomass of the modern days has no idea how to use it. Prison planet, starting with the Judeo-Christian abomination, religion of liars. Well, if you break through, you are still a mortal animal monkey. A mortal animal with semi-divine properties that has the right technologies, the right occult mechanisms, ceremonial, ritualistic, to realign with variabilities of this great universe full of forces, powers, gods, goddesses, spirits, intelligences, entities that conjured magnanimous science, philosophy, art, skills, knowledge, virtues of all civilizations, ethnicities, to define itself as that broken animal, humanitas, humaneness, that cardinal virtue of human beings. And it is said that gods in exile, the further you seek out there in the universe for answers, as you question it, more and more, reading it like an open book, the finger points back at you. Because you need to redefine yourself as humans, as those broken tears, broken animals that need to fix themselves because they were separated from nature as mortal animals. And by rediscovering this humaneness, by rediscovering this occult refinery technologies, this magical tech, you become something more. Something more divine, something shedding the mortal animal behind you. The Dionysian tomb is left to the grave. Now what is the output of the animal soul, of the transmigratory soul, of the condensation of the daimonic pneuma, the spirit, the condensation of anima mundi through the operation of descent to Tartarus, drinking from the ambrosia of gods, and shedding this mortal flesh behind, becoming godlike, a demigod truly. Disembodied. Why need flesh? And we are not flesh haters. Affirmation, rehumanization, magical tech, and off you go, as a hero, an angelibonum, a demigod, even to join the procession of the sanctum. As it was written in Jamlich, the galaxies and stars, nor nature nor this planet, was brought for the sake of mortal human animals. You are the dominant species, true. But that's where it ends. If you want to redefine the semi-divine element, you may be capable of that. Otherwise, be those monkeys. Or imprison yourselves with lying religions, institutionalized lies, that brought order, but a lying order, out of which consequences of destruction and suffering emerged upon the globe. Of course, there are plenty of complexities and intricate details that I won't mention here, but I wanted to convey the gist of it. Human is not the center. It may be a center to itself, to redefine itself, and it may be measuring with itself everything else. But when you look from the perspective of everything else, human is as it is. A mortal, sick animal that may be divine, it by and large is a swine. Thank you.